Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Mansi. So today we are going to learn about algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions are nothing but mathematical operations using symbols and variables. Let's see this example. 2a plus 6b plus 11ab plus 3. Let's first see why it is called an algebraic expressions. As we know, A, B, C up to Z, these letters are nothing but our algebra. If we use these letters along with numbers, that is called, these letters are called variables. So in algebraic expressions, there are numbers like say 2, 6, 11, 3, these are numbers. There are variables. See here A, B, they are variables, and symbols. It can be plus, it can be minus. So before going to the detail of algebraic expressions, let's first understand each and every terms. First one is the terms. Okay, let's see this expression. 2a plus 6b plus 11ab plus 3. In this expression, each one, 2a, 6b, 11ab and 3, each one on the left side and right side of the symbol, they are called terms. So in this expression there are 4 terms. 2a is one term, 6b, 11ab and 3. So there are 4 terms in this algebraic expressions. Understood? So these are the terms. Next, variable, as I said before, all these letters are called variables. Constant. Constant is nothing but when any number, if it is not attached to any variable, they are called constant. In this expression, see this 3. This 3 is nothing but a constant. Here there is no letter A, B, only number. So this is the 3 is a constant. Got understood? Okay. And one thing I must tell that in this term, see 2a, 6b, 11ab plus 3. So individual, each one is a term. Suppose in this expression you have 2a plus 6b minus 11ab plus 3. So in this case, if they'll ask you questions like what are the terms, what you have to write? In this case, 2a is a term, 6b is a term. Then minus symbol, if it is there, you have to take along with minus, that is minus 11ab. This is a term and 3 is a term. So there are 4 terms, but only difference is, see, if it is the plus symbol, then you have to write only 11ab. Suppose in this expression or in any other expressions there are minus symbol and they'll ask you to find out the terms. In that case, you have to write down along with the minus symbol. So minus 11ab. This is the term. Understood? Constant, variable. Now factors. Factors, as you studied before, 21 for example, take 21. 21 is nothing but 3 into 7. So 3 and 7 are the factors for 21. Likewise, if you take each and every term, first 2a. 2a is nothing but 2 into a. 6b. 6 into b. 11ab. 11 into a into b. So the factors for 2a are nothing but 2 and a. 6b, 6 and b. So 2a for 2a, 6b for 6b. These are the factors. 11 for 11ab, the factors are 11, a and b, and for 3 there is only one, that is 3. Next thing is coefficient. Okay, coefficient. In coefficient you have to understand 2 things. First, it is nothing but your number factors. Okay, it is nothing but your number factors. So the number, for example, if you take 2a, in this, if they'll ask you the coefficient is, for coefficient for a, you have to find out the coefficient of a. So the number, the numerical value will be the coefficient. So in this case, in this 2a, the coefficient for a is nothing but your 2. Okay. If only one variable is attached with the number, that variable will be that number will be the coefficient for that variable. So for 2a, the coefficient of a will be 2. For 3x, coefficient of x is nothing but your 3. So the number factor is the coefficient. Suppose for example, take 11ab. In this case, if they will ask what will be the coefficient of AB, in that case directly you write the number, that is the 11. So for a coefficient of AB is nothing but your number, that is 11. But if they will ask coefficient of A, find out the coefficient of A in 11AB. In this case, what you have to do, other than this A, rest thing is the coefficient of A. In 11AB, other than A, what is there? 11B. Okay. So take this A out. They are asking you the coefficient of A, right? So take it out. Then what is left? 11B. So coefficient of A in 11AB is 11B. Understood? This is another. So there are two things in coefficient. Till now it's clear? Let's see like terms and unlike terms. What are like terms? If all of the variables are same, they are called like terms. If the variables are different, they are called unlike terms. For example, 2a, 3a, 7a. See here, the variables are same. In each case, a is the variable. So these are like terms. Likewise, 2xy minus 8xy. In this case, xy, here also xy. This is common. So these two are also like terms. Another thing, 5ab, 9ba. See, here also ab, here also ab, though it's in BA form. So these two are also like terms. And unlike terms, 2a, 3b, 7ab. See here, the variables are different. If the variable, they'll give you number for a, you have to put a. This will be different. This will be different. So b can be different. So the v7ab, in this case, this is the variable. Here, this is the variable. In this case, this is the variable. So the variables are not same. So this is called unlike terms. Okay. Next, let's see monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Mono means what? 1. Single. Bi means what? 2. Tri means 3. Poly means many. Okay. So monomial, if there are only one term in any expression, there are one term. Suppose here in this case, see here there are 4 terms. Suppose only 2a is given. In this case, only a single term is there. So it is called monomial. Here 5, it is a single term. 7x, only 7x. This is also a single term. So these are called monomial. They have given, if they have given like 5x plus 3x. Though there are 2 different terms, but this is monomial. Why? You can add this 5x plus 3x because the variable is same. So this becomes 5x plus 3x is equal to your 8x. So this is single term. Okay. So this is nothing but your monomial. Binomial, if there are 2 terms. See here 4x minus 3y. 4x is a term, 3y is a term. In this expression there are 2 terms. So this is binomial. Trinomial, there are 3 terms, 2a, 3b, 5. So this expression is called trinomial. Mostly we can say this binomial, trinomial, everything is polynomial. Why we are using polynomial? If there are more than 3 terms, we are calling it as polynomial. Other than that, binomial can also be can call it as polynomial. Trinomial can also call as polynomial. Let's see this expression. 3x plus 2y plus 6z plus 9. There are 4 terms, more than 3. So we can't call it any other name. So we are calling it as more than 3. There can be 5. More than 3, we are calling it as polynomial. Got it? Understood? Let's see degree of polynomial. This is very important. What is degree of polynomial? This is nothing but our greatest power of the variable. In any mathematical expression, whatever will be the power, that is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, the greatest power of the variable is called the degree of polynomial. Let's see this example. 7x square plus 2x plus 5. If you take this expression, first term, in this first term, the power of x is, this is the x is the variable. What will be the power? 2. Okay. Then 2x in this case, x power is nothing but your 1. Okay. So here this is 1. Then 5. Suppose if any number is given, that number is nothing but your 5 into x to the power 0. Any variable to the power 0, we are taking it as 1. So here for this, the degree of polynomial is 0. Okay, understood? See, if only 6, if it is given, the degree of polynomial is 0. 6, we can write it as 6 into x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So the degree of polynomial for any number, it will be 0. If we see this third one, 3x square minus xy plus 4y square. See here, the degree for first term it is 2. Then here, okay, in this case, see, xy is nothing but x to the power 1, y to the power 1. So if there are two variables in a single term, what you have to do is you have to add both the power. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but your 2. So here also the degree of polynomial is, degree of this term is 2. Okay. Next 4y square. This power is 2. Let's see the next one. 3x square plus 4x square y square minus 6x cube plus 4xy. See here, first one is the power is 2. Okay. Next one, you have to add, if there are two variables, their power we have to add. So 2 plus 2, nothing but 4. Then x cube. So here the power is 3. Okay. Next 4xy, x to the power 1, y to the power 1. So here the power is 2. And the greatest power, if we compare in this expression, the greatest power we have to take as the degree of polynomial. Suppose they will be given this expression, they will ask you to find out the degree of polynomial. See, individually for each term, we can find out that 2, 4, 3, 2, they are the degree. So in this case, we have to take the single one. Which one? The greatest, the largest one we have to take. So in this case, largest number is 4. So in this expression, the degree of polynomial is 4. Okay. Next, what is the exception? See here, 4 by x square plus 5x square y plus 6. If it is given like this, if your this variable is in the denominator, if your variable is in denominator, then it is not a polynomial. So you have to remember this. This is very important. Okay. In this expression itself, it's not polynomial because the variable is in the denominator. So it's not a polynomial. Okay. Let's see some examples one by one. Identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay. See here, 2m plus 3n. There are two terms, 2m and 3n. So this is binomial. Okay. This is 2 by 7 a square. This is single term. So this can be monomial. Here a minus 5b plus 7c. There are three terms. So this is called trinomial. And here in this case 7x plus 3x. Though it is there are two terms, already I said you can add these two as the variables are same. Here also x, here also x. If you can add this, it will be 10x. So this is a monomial. Understood? Let's see the second example. Find out the coefficient of x in minus 6xy square. Okay. I said already before, x apart from x, other than x, whatever left is here the coefficient of x. So here it is minus 6y square. Next, q in qx square. Coefficient of q in qx square is x square. Here xy in minus 4xyz. xy, remove this xy because they are asking you the coefficient of xy. So what is left? Minus 4z. So the coefficient of xy is minus 4z. A in 2 by 3a. A. Remove this a. What is left? 2 by 3. Then z in minus z. Minus z is nothing but your z into minus 1. So here the coefficient of z is minus 1. Got it? It's clear? Okay. Let's see the last example. It's clear. If you have any doubt, you can write it out in comment section. So I'll try to clarify your doubts. Okay. Let's see the third one. Find out the degree of polynomials. See here, I said before, the highest number you have to take as degree of polynomial. In this case, 4x square minus x4. Here the power is 2 and 4, but the highest power is 4. So here the degree of polynomial is 4. 4p square plus 6p cube plus 8p8. Here the powers are 2, 3 and 8. So you have to take the highest power, that is 8. So the degree of polynomial is 8. Then m2nq plus mn square plus 4. I said already, if there are two variables, you have to add that power. So in this case, the powers are 2 plus 3. Here it is 5. So here it is 5. Here 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Then here 0. So what are the first write down the power. What are they? 5, 3 and 0. So highest number is 5. So here the degree of polynomial is 5. Okay. Next, p square q4. So here the power will be 2 plus 4. So here it is 6. Then pq square. Here it is 1. P to the power 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And here it is 1. So it is 0. So highest power is 6. So the degree of polynomial will be 6. Here 6 only number. 6 means 6 is nothing but 6 into x to the power 0. So here the x to the power 0 is 1. So 6 into 1, 1. So here the degree of polynomial is 0. Okay. Understood? Thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, you write it down in the comment section. So I'll try to clarify your doubts. In the next class, we are going to see the addition and subtraction for these algebraic expressions. Okay. Thank you.